Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second Sudoku, a puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, December the 4th, 2021. We have here 6 extra puzzles, and the first one I've solved was a 3 stars puzzle, and now it's time for the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 3781. Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. So let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. So now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Here we have in the last column 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Now we have 4 1s here in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Here we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Now we have here in the first row 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1s in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Yeah. 3 O's we have here in this column. If I place number 4, the 4th O, then we have 3 1s in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be no, this should be a 1. Okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be 1, this should be an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay. Then here we have 3 1s. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. I think now we need to compare. Let me check. Oh, almost the same. How about 1001? No, I think we need to compare. Yeah, this row and that row. 1100 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no, there no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Okay. Now let me compare these 2 columns. The last column and this column. Oh, oh, 1 1 1 1 oh 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 1 1 empty box, empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes a 1. Finish in 5 minutes. Okay. Uh, and I've solved this one. Yes, I like this one also. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle of today. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. Well, let me show you only 8 printed digits. So this should be a hard one. We will see. See you later. Bye bye for now.